Hello everyone, welcome to another eBay box break. This is for the 2011-2012 Panini Rookie Anthology box break number 16. Here's the last team up for auction. There's Edmonton. So number's hard to see, but it's NE 181 158 394. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. So this pack last. Pack number 1. Yeah, base. Here we have a Rookie Treasures level 3, card number 137 of Calvin Dahan. So that card goes to the Islanders. Nice hit to start off. Base and base. Pack number 2. We have base. We have a Pinnacle Rookie hit for the Wild of Chris Fredheim. Decoy. Base and base. Pack number 3. Base. We have a rookie rivalry card between the Toronto Maple Leafs and Montreal Canadiens of Joel Colburn and Alexei Emelin. Randomize this at the end. Base and base. Pack number 4. Yeah, base. We have a Pinnacle Rookie hit for the Carolina Hurricanes of Mike Murphy. Decoy. Base and base. Pack number 5. We have base. Another Pinnacle Rookie hit for the Philadelphia Flyers of Kevin Marshall. Decoy, base, and base. Pack number 6. And base. The color contenders hit for the St. Louis Blues of Cade Fairchild. 540 out of 999. Decoy. Base and base. And base. We have a nice hit for the Vancouver Canucks. It's from Certified Auto of Zach Cassian, Jersey Auto. 53 out of 299. Nice hit for the Canucks. And base. Pack number 8. And base. Another rookie rivalry card between the Ottawa Senators and Montreal Canadiens of Colin Greening and Alexei Emelin. This will be randomized at the end as well. Base and base. Pack 9, base. We have a Crown Royal rookie card for the Nashville Predators of Jeremy Smith. Decoy, base, Pack 10. And base. We have a Pinnacle rookie for the Carolina Hurricanes of Riley Nash. Decoy, base, and base. For the last pack, have a nice banner season card, jersey, and auto. Nice hit from Limited for the Calgary Flames of Jerome McGinley. The short print, 1 of 15. Banner season hit for the Flames, Jerome McGinley ended off. A nice hit. So just set up the randoms now, so bear with me for a second. Here we go. For the first card between Ottawa and Montreal, randomize it 3 times. There's 1, 2, and 3. So that card goes to Montreal. And for the next one, between Toronto and Montreal, 1, 2, and 3. That card goes to Montreal as well. So Montreal, you get both dual jersey cards. And just if you haven't heard this announcement yet, if you have, bear with me. I do have my website up and running, breakawaysc.com. If you go to our site and register, your name will be put into a draw. I'll show you the cards at the end. We're giving away 2 cards for all new registrants for July. Also, if you follow us on Twitter and like us on Facebook, your name will be put in 2 additional times to the monthly draw to give yourself a few more chances to win one of the 2 cards or both. We went live last night for the first time ever on Blog TV. We did a 29 spot 8-box case break, Panini Titanium. We also have a couple other breaks I'm going to show you listed on our site. See them, just go up here on group breaks. We have our Sunday night group breaks tab and the rules and types of group breaks that we do. So if you go in there, and if you're interested, you can send payment through PayPal. So the first break, it's a 10-box mix, 2 certified, 2 Panini contenders, 2 limited, 2 anthology, and 2 titanium. They're $40 a spot. It's a 29 spot break. So how it works is it's a live team draft. It went pretty well. We are going to post the videos of our first group break so you can see how it works. But the live draft, if you don't know how it works, we throw all 29 members into random.org, randomize the list. It could be anywhere between 1 or 6 times depending on what we decide on Blog TV. If you end up first after everything's randomized, you have first pick. So Edmonton will probably likely go first, just like it did last night. Once Edmonton's gone, it goes to the next person, and all the way down to the last spot, 29th spot. And also, we have a box from the 2011, 2012, 2010, 2011 of the Cup and Panini Dominion. This break is actually just has 10 spots. We do have 2 sold already. It's $105 a spot. You can go and purchase a spot on our website under group breaks, the Sunday night group breaks. Each spot in this break is $105 a spot, but it's a triple up, meaning that you get 3 teams. We're also going to be doing a live draft as well. So So if you're a high roller and you're interested in this break, it's $105 a spot. So if you need more info, just go to our site. And also, here are the giveaways for July. Panini Contenders, Gabriel Landeskog rookie card, and also a Ryan Nugent-Hopkins Young Gun rookie card. And then the 10 box break that we had it listed, we were trying to sell it out last night, but we sold 8 spots. Also, for a little extra incentive on that one, for our first 2 group breaks, that what we did was we're going to give away this Ryan Nugent-Hopkins Young Gun rookie card to one of the luckier entrants that participates in the 10 box break. So we also have everybody written down for the 8 box case break we did last night. So if you're interested, we do have some group breaks posted. This Cup and Dominion one is sure to be awesome. So thank you very much again for watching. Hope to see you again next time, and hope to see you register on our site and live on Blog TV again next Sunday, July 22nd. I should be on about 8 p.m. Thank you again for watching.